Here at TransLEDer, we're making it our business to transform neighborhoods with our super energy efficient and smart LED street lighting product. We aim to create switched-on communities where residents can feel safe and sound. Improving street safety and saving power were the drivers for 2 New Zealand towns who recently undertook a citywide replacement program of 2,500 streetlights with TransLEDer's LED luminaire. Ashburton and Methven now enjoy well-lit streets and will gain significantly from the reduction in their maintenance and energy bills. Our LED lights are not only innovative, sleek and functional in design, they offer superior quality along with impressive resilience and durability. TransLEDer street lighting requires the absolute minimum in maintenance, so ongoing costs can become a thing of the past. Installation of these units is swift and simple, taking as little as 10 minutes to retrofit existing street lights. TransLEDer lights have a modern and stylish design that surpasses the everyday standard streetlight, blending seamlessly into both rural and urban environments. Providing a more focused light source and fantastic color clarity, TransLEDer lighting enhances visibility, improving safety in our communities, both on the road and on the pavement. And they're tough. Rigorously designed to withstand all environments and weather conditions, and backed by a 10-year warranty for extra peace of mind. So how can TransLEDer lights transform your city? These images show the before and after installation of TransLEDer lights just 1 day apart. The difference is remarkable. Notice the dim yellow of the high-pressure sodium lights compared to the crystal clear quality of the upgraded TransLEDer LEDs. Built to accommodate the growing need for smart cities, our LED lights have the technology to be controlled, linked together, adjusted, and dimmed. It goes without saying that our products meet the highest standards of international compliance. So, if you're looking to invest in LED street lighting to future-proof your town or city, start by having a chat with the friendly team at TransLEDer. You'll be turning your community onto a brighter, safer future. Simply superior street lighting solutions, TransLEDer Lighting, the market leader.